Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of Microsoft Teams. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Microsoft Teams and you click here in this window. Then here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. You will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your